This video will be the first of the 4 CRUD operation videos. So this first one is about creating new documents. But before we start creating new documents, let me actually address a concern that you might be having. So maybe you're wondering, why are we actually doing all this stuff in the terminal? And how does this relate to our Express application that we built in the last section? Well, the answer for that is that right now I want you to learn the absolute fundamentals of MongoDB without the context of any application. So really completely outside of Node.js. Because in theory, we could use MongoDB with any other language or any other framework. It doesn't have to be with Node.js. And so I think it is actually a good idea to learn MongoDB standing completely on its own without the context of any other language. Okay? Later on, we will of course connect a MongoDB database with our application so that in the next section we can then actually start working with databases inside of our Express application. And by then we will use a MongoDB driver just for Node Express so that we can use our JavaScript language to interact with our MongoDB databases. Alright? But for now, let's just learn MongoDB without any of that. Alright? So in the last lecture we created a new database, a new collection inside called tours, and then one new document in there, right? Remember that? And to do that, we used insert1. Remember that? But now let's actually create 2 documents at the same time. So that works like this: db, which is again the current database, then .tours, which is the collection where we want to add our new documents, and then insert many. Okay? And insert many is going to accept an array of multiple objects. So an array, and then close it. So an empty object, and let me actually put the second empty object here also already. And so all we need to do is to fill up these objects. So name, this one is called the C Explorer. It has a price of 497 and a rating of 4.8. And then the next object, let's give it a name of the Snow Adventurer, which is one of the other 9 tours that we have. Then the price is a bit more expensive, 997, and the rating is 4.9. And actually, let's add another field here. So remember from the intro lecture how I said that MongoDB documents are very flexible, and so they do not all have to have the same structure, okay? So we can have different fields in different documents. And so let's add the difficulty here and set this one to easy, okay? So that's it. Let's hit return here. And so we inserted 2 new documents, and here we see the IDs that they got. So these 2 auto-generated unique identifiers for each of them. Okay? Now just to make sure, remember make db, then tours dot find, and here indeed we now have our 3 tours. So that's the one we created in the last lecture, and then the 2 that we just created. Okay? So that's actually it for this lecture. Just to recap, we used the insert many function to pass in an array of 2 objects or 2 documents that we wanted to create. Okay, so that's all I had for this one. In the next one, we will then learn how to do some advanced queries to search for data in our database. So that's an exciting one, so let's move on immediately.